to complicate the space because it is kind of like some walls and a kind of wall paint in the background. Right?
We are in the Creativity Innovation District where many of our studio art classes are housed, and we are with Introduction to Painting. And they're in the middle of their first kind of longer term painting where they are working from observation from a set or vignette or shadow box using a lot of the skills that we built up during the first month of class where they were making a painting every single day. All of our studio arts intro classes carry pathways credit and are open to visual arts majors and non-majors. In SOVA, we have a number of classes that are open to majors and non-majors, and painting for non-majors is one of our most sought classes. There certainly are opportunities for people all around the university to be able to take possibly multiple painting and studio classes in their experience at Virginia Tech. Of course, there's the skills of learning how to use paint and make a painting, but I think even more importantly, building the skills of looking and decision making through both the kind of observational process, but also the process of experimentation. In just the kind of first few weeks of painting, I think any student from any background are starting to notice more things in their environment, even how people use space. It's really interesting because each person brings their prior experience, either with their life experience or their educational experience, and so there often are really interesting conversations that happen between majors and non-majors, based on all of their kind of prior experience. And so it's really interesting to see halfway through the semester how they coalesce and express kind of what they are thinking and find these bridges between the different things they're interested in.